Hi there, welcome back to another video. Today's video is about a seated yoga flow. For that, all you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and definitely a will to practice with me. So let's get started. It's good to have place your yoga mat right next to the wall and take a wall support and lift up your hips, keep your spine straight, and try to make all the adjustment in your sitting posture and sit comfortably and close your eyes. And take some aware breath as I say inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. And one last time, inhale and exhale. As you open your eyes, take your right hand on the left temple of your head and stretch it to the sideways of your neck. Remember to change the hand to practice it from the other side. This time, twist your neck to the left side to have a good stretch on your right side of the body. Interlock your fingers over your head and stretch them on top of your head. Now, inhale here. And with exhalation, stretch it to your right side to have a great stretch on the left side of your body, all the way from oblique to your shoulder to your fingers. Now to the left side, feel the stretch on the right side of the body, back to the center, and hands down at the back of your head. And now do the same stretch first on the right side, back to center, and with exhale to the left, and with inhale back to the center. Now extend your hands and try to make swings using your hands on the sides of your body. Feel your shoulder blades working nicely. And now moving forward with some shoulder rolls, first clockwise, keeping the fingers on top of your shoulders, 5 rounds clockwise, and then anti-clockwise. Move your shoulders very mindfully and back to the center, and then hands release. Now from here, extend your legs in front of your body. Try to keep your hamstrings straight and stretched in front of the body. Now fold the right foot and extend the left leg all the way to the side to your ease. Keep your feet stretched and fingers pointed towards you or upright. Once you are comfortable enough, move your right hip on the side. Using the hand supports on the floor while you lift up your knee from the floor is a great choice. And remember to breathe continuously and keep the left leg active as well. Now extend the right leg, do the same from the left side of the hip. First get the right stance, take hand support on the floor and stretch to the side to up to 10 rounds. Move very mindfully. And once you are done, extend both the legs right in front of the body and try to grab or stretch the toes towards you. Now make a finger interlocked in front of your body and try to make a big circles using your hands. First clockwise the 10 times. And every time you exhale, you bend forward and you try to go as deep in the fold as possible while keeping the hamstrings and legs really active. Practice 10 rounds. Remember to keep your toes pointed and now anti-clockwise 10 rounds. Breathe very nicely throughout the practice. Do not compromise your spine as well. And once you are done, you can leave your hands and take a moment over here and then fold your knees. And from here, gently get into a malasana or a very lowered squat. If possible, if you can practice this, otherwise, you can use support to support your hips or your feet, and you can keep your knees little wide open and use your hands to align them really nice. Keep the feet little 45-degree angle to have a better support, and then hold the posture and continue breathing for 15 to 20 breaths or even more. And from here, take your hand support to make some side stretches. Place right palm on the left feet and stretch it to the left side of the body and back to the center. And now from here, very mindfully sit upright in a thunderbolt pose, Vajrasana, where you keep your knees together in front of the body and sit up over your heels. Do not put extra pressure on your hips and keep them aligned, or squeeze a yoga block in between your thighs to have a better support. And from here, fold forward, extend your hands in front of the body and breathe. Back to the center and take the left hand, stretch it nicely. Take 2 breaths. And now change your side, extend the right foot out while sit up over the left feet. Stretch it out, breathe up to 2 to 3 rounds. And from here, extend both your legs in front of your body in Dandasana. Keep your legs straight, toes pointed towards you, and try to grab, see if you can stretch your toes a bit towards you. And now from here, fold your right foot to practice Janu Sheshasana. Inhale, hands up, and exhale with a lot of control, lengthening your spine. Fold forward. If possible, try to grab your feet or hold the big toe, or you can keep your feet over your shin bone or calf bone. And if needed, bend the left knee. And with inhale, bring your hands up and again relax. Now change your side and fold the left foot. Keep the left foot close to right thigh. Inhale, hands up, and exhale, fold forward. Again, similarly, fold the right knee if needed and grab the toe or just hold the feet or shin bone and be in the fold. And with inhale, again, release the pose. Now this time, extend both the legs in front of the body in Paschimottanasana. Inhale and again fold forward. Here I'm holding both the toes. And with every exhalation, I'm trying to go a little deeper in the fold. Remember to do not round your spine. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Hold the pose. Continue breathing. And once you feel ready, again, inhale here and exhale back to the original position. Now from here, fold your right foot to practice a twist on the right side of the body. Use left elbow to support your right knee to create a lot of extension on the right side of the twist. Use your right palm to align yourself, but do not put a lot of pressure. Inhale, exhale here. Keep your spine straight and keep breathing. Keep breathing. And exhale, you release the pose. This time, fold the left foot and do the same thing. Use right elbow to support your left knee and left hand to create a lot of extension for the twist. And with exhale, you look back and keep your spine straight and continue breathing. Keep breathing. And with exhale, you back to the original position. And from here, you try to get into a pigeon pose. First, we'll practice from the right side of the hip. Take your feet pointed on the side. Take as deep as possible. Point the left foot back. And relax over here. You can bring your head down or the elbows down and continue breathing and hold the pose for as long as you can. Breathe continuously. Hold it up to 1 minute or less. And now from here, inhale, release the pose, come back first and then change your side for the left side of the hip. Again, point your left foot out as parallel as you can, but do not force your leg. And now, right foot extended, stretched at the back and active. Use any block under the hips if you need it, and relax over here. And continue breathing. Remember to breathe nicely. And with inhale, lengthen your spine and gently come out of the pose. Now from here, very mindfully sit up straight and get into a Baddha Konasana, butterfly pose. Flap your legs on the sides while holding the feet together and try to grab both the feet as close as possible to the groin. And continue breathing while you practice this. And do not move your hips and sit bones, otherwise you might cause any injury. And now from here, surrender in front of your body while keeping the hands down in the forward fold and take a moment to breathe here. And with inhale, sit up straight and keep your hands over your knees and relax in this pose. Let your body feel all the relaxation and rejuvenation and all the good positive energy which you did gather through this practice. Allow your body to feel the slight changes it might have gone through while practicing. And your only focus should be on the breath. Do not force yourself in the pose. Breathe very mindfully and gently. And try to be present in the moment. As you inhale, you should feel your belly rising up. And with exhale, you should feel all the air coming out of the belly. Breathe mindfully. And focus on the exhalations more. Slower, longer exhalations. And try not to move your body. Try to stay still. And breathe. Take a mental note that how amazing this practice went for you. You showed up for yourself, for your body, to move your body, to feel your all the moves. It's an honor for our body and for ourselves. And also take a gentle mental note that what did not go well so that you can improve that in tomorrow's practice. You can practice this for as long as you want. And whenever you feel ready, rub your palms and gather all the positive energy which you just created. And keep your hands or palms over your face And gently open your eyes and look in between your palms. If you have enjoyed anything about the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye and take care.